My name is Alexa Marroquin, and I'm an 8th grader at Brown Middle School. To start things off, I am very grateful to be here giving this speech to you all. I'm honored to represent Brown Middle School students. I'd like to give a special thank you to Mr. Martinez, my theater arts teacher at Brown Middle School. And my parents for their endless love and support. También quiero agradecer todo el personal de seguridad, limpieza y la cocina. Gracias. Gracias por siempre preocuparse de nosotros, de nuestras familias y la limpieza de la escuela. I've been called here to give a speech about overcoming obstacles, specifically academically. So today I'll be talking about an issue that is still here right now. An obstacle that not only I have overcome, but millions of kids all over the world has been the global pandemic. There is no doubt COVID-19 has left a mark in our lives and households. In 6th grade, my entire school year was presented solely online, meaning that not only did I have to complete all my assignments on time without the help or encouragement of an in-person teacher, but I had to do it all while taking care of my 2 little sisters since my mom was working all day. Taking care of both of them was no easy feat. Can you imagine me, 11 years old, making sure that the 8-year-old was fed, that she was logged into her online classes, and that the 1-year-old had a clean diaper, that she had a bottle in her mouth, and that she was bathed? I wasn't sure if I would even pass the school year because of how much class I was missing taking care of them. I wasn't sure if I'd pass the grade. Until my science teacher, Miss Joanna Gonzalez, maybe some of my teachers could have seen me as the kid who never got work done on time, a lost cause. But Miss Gonzalez was able to see that I had 2 kids to babysit all day. She'd often excuse me from the Google Meet since she knew that I was either making breakfast, changing diapers, or putting a baby to sleep. Her giving me more time to take care of them immediately gave me more time to do her work later on, more encouragement to keep going, and willpower to never give up. With her help, I never gave up and powered through the year. Come 7th grade, and not only does she still recognize me, but even though she knows I no longer struggle academically, she continues to treat me the same and encourages me every day to finish everything I start. I no longer feel the way I did in 6th grade and have many more teachers who support me and encourage me every day to never give up. Some advice that I would give to teachers: never give up on us. Even if it seems like we aren't making any progress, like if we aren't trying, I can promise you we are. Show us the work we've done, tell us ways to improve it, keep us after class, but never give up on us. Something that I've learned during the time that I had to adapt to my obstacles was that it won't be the last time you do. Even if you overcome something once, there's no promise that that will be the only time you'll ever struggle. If the support of other people and persistence of yourself helped you overcome something once, chances are your problem-solving abilities will be put to use in another situation. So McAllen ISD, I ask you, keep learning, keep adapting, and stay strong. Thank you.